Hello, anime fans and card collectors. I'm Tomax, and today we have a box of SpyxFamily collector cards. This one is manufactured by this company. There is no English name, so roughly translate is Fuka. So the first word could be meaning cover or concealed, and then the next one is card. So if anyone have any information about that, feel free to leave it in the comment to help us out. So this is boxed from the well-known anime SpyxFamily. This came out in 2024. Quick recap. So two different nations on Cold War. One spy called Twilight is assigned to infiltrate the other region to gather information, but the only twist is he had to have a family, or he has to be a family man. So he adopted a girl called Anya, which is actually her, and also tried to build a relation with a lady from that region called Yor. In another fun twist, so he was a spy. Yor is assassin, and Anya is a espy. So she has psychic powers. She can read people's mind. So all three of them have these secrets, but they're hiding it from each other and try to act as a family. So they're kind of like deal with a lot of family mishap and daily life stuff, while having applying like assassin techniques, mind reading, and spy techniques in their work. So it's quite fun. One of the major things that why they need a family, and especially why they need a kid, is they actually need to infiltrate elite families who also has kids in a elite school. So Anya has to sort of be the key to get into that school for Twilight. Now, that's it. Now, looking at this box, we have, this is the front cover. Here we have SpyxFamily here. I mentioned she's Anya. This is Desmond. He is one of the son of the elites that is trying to be infiltrated. But they kind of somehow have this developed this weird relationship beyond friends, comedy wise. And then this is Bond. This is a dog that the Twilight family, who goes by Forger as last name, kind of adapted to as well. And this guy also has a secret. He could kind of like foresee future. This is just a plush animal. That's it. All right, so that's this. This box has 30 cards. This is a 2 yen suggested retail price per pack, and so it's a SpyxFamily X Tile Record Cafe. I'm not sure if that is actually like a side mission or a side movie, because I know of Cold White. And then let's see here, what else? Yeah, and you notice the clothing, these are not their normal clothes. So he's dressed as Twilight or Lloyd Voyager, and she's dressed up as Yor. So interesting. Oh, and I just noticed that Bond here has Anya's horn as well. All right, enough of the prequit. So let's go over to the dimension. So this is quite a big box, quite heavy. It is 5.5 inch wide, about 5 inches tall, and almost 3 inches thick. So let's see. So this, I see, here's the box again. Got a lot of foiling here, rainbow foil there on the back end. On the top, you have the name of the anime in Chinese. You have Bond here. You have the UPC code, as well as information about the package itself. On this side, you have the information of the pack, and on this side, you have Yor, which is the assassin / mom of the family. On the bottom, you have the same information as you have in the front, and the images. On this side, you have the same thing, the information of the package set, but this time on this side, you have Lloyd here, Lloyd Forger, which is Twilight, the spy. And then on the bottom, there's nothing. All right, so that's everything. Gone through the schematics, gone for the pre-story, gone through dimensions. There's nothing else to do. Let's unleash these packs and cards. So let's see here. You see the name of the anime on the flap there too as well. And then we have here the packs. Oh wow. These are thick and hard packs. All right, so we said there were 30 packs here. So give me a second, let me take these out. All right, that's the whole box there. Oh, you also have SpyxFamily on the flaps here. A lot of put in on the packaging. Put that up here. All right, so you got the packs here. It looks like you got, let's see here. These are even stacked. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, yeah. So these 30 packs here. And it looks like you got 2 additional packs. Normally like box topper. So we'll put these aside. It says here, vintage, not sellable item. Trying to read the word there. It says thickness and exquisite collection cards. Okay. Exquisite card series. Okay. On the back you got warning signs, barcode, and product information. All right. So it looks like we got 2 like bonus box topper. Feel like there are multiple cards in there. I'm gonna put this aside so we can come back later. One with these a little bit more. And these are the packs. All right, I'm gonna give them a lucky shuffle as usual. And at this time, normally, please, thank you. Well, first of all, thank you for joining this video. Thank you for tuning in. And if you like what you're seeing, please leave a like and subscribe. Really help our channel. Really try to build the channel to do more. And you know, comment section, likes, and subscribe really helps. So yeah, I do also other unboxing other cards. So if you like, check out the other videos on my channel. I think I had one that was like, no, I thought I had one that was like, oh yeah, this one. This is rarely packaged. That's weird. Okay. One more. Quite thick actually with the packaging. So we'll see how much cards we get. And they feel really thick and sturdy. So I wonder if these are thick cards. All right, so let's split them to 2, put them aside, and let's get it going. All right, here's the pack, what it looks like. You have Anya here with 3 poses. Normal, like happy pose, like excited pose, and shock pose. SpyxFamily on top, on bottom. Warning signs here, and UBC codes, and then product code. All right, not sure about the ratio, but we're gonna find out now. All right, here we go. First pack. Okay, so these. All right, these are really thick cards. This is the back. So you get 3 cards per pack. Okay. First card we get is a SSR of the family itself. This is, I believe, one of those promo manga covers, arts, and look at the patterns you see there on the foil, hollow foil. SSR here, you got the card number here, you have the title here, both English and Chinese, and you have all 3 characters. It's really nice. Again, thick card. So this one, the card background is just the name title. Next up, we got your, not her anime art, but like a different art. Your Folger on the BR. Got a rainbow holofoil background there. On the back, you have the card, the anime name, and the image of in front of the card. Or sorry, in front of the box. Final card we have here is an SP card. This looks sick. Look at that. Got some gold border there, and you got everybody dressed in black. This is again by a third-party art. It says SpyxFamily in there in gold. Card number down there. Just badass in black. SP card. I don't know. It looks a little bit darker looking through the lens, but boy, you look at this in person. This is stunning. And this is the back of the card. All three of them posing again. Put that there. See if we can try to get a good camera angle. Closer, close enough. What I see, a lot of gold detail there. All right, next pack. All right, back same. First card. Ooh, cutie, pink color background. This is a art card. So this is supposed to be the most common card. Got the same foil pattern. Looks like it's Easter themed. That's on the R. Next we got a BR of Anya and Bon. Then we get another SP card. This time it's in a bluish aqua color. This is just them pose on the back, but reversed. An SP card. All right, next pack. Oh, we got a different background here. Okay, I shouldn't skip there. All right, we got, here we go. This looks like they're having a picnic on this R card. So different season or a different family event. So the back of the card is this one. Bon and Anya casual wear. Let me double check this card. Same. Okay, so our card has the same background. Next we got a CR card. This is, it says Twilight there, so this is a Twilight card, but this card is Twilight playing PPU with Anya. Looks nice, but it does look like it's got cut wrong. I mean, that's a lot of space down here for my taste. Look at the card numbers up there. So probably cut wrong. Let's see the back. Now the back looks like it's centered. Interesting. All right. So this one is a pink background on the CR. So we got BR, CR, R, and SSR, and then we got SP. Oh, it looks like SP comes every pack. That's interesting. Third SP we got. This is the third-party art. So this is, I think I saw this as a fan art. So this is what happens, a fan art of Anya and Desmond become teenagers. This is an HR card. I'm sorry, this is not even SR. This is not SP, this is HR card. Ooh, we're hitting a lot of different cards here. Now there's some error here, to my opinion. Because you see that? It says Yuri Bura. And Yuri Bura is Yuri's, the wife's family name. So that's not her on the camera. That's not her on the card. interesting. HR. I need to see an HR for that. Let's see if I could do better with the camera angle. Probably better with the lighting. Oh. Yeah, probably better. All right, so next pack. Let me move things up a little bit so we got a little bit more room. You guys see in the camera. Okay, we got a R of Anya Forger on the R. In the background here. And there is a little bit of texturing there. And then we got an SR of Faye. She is a co-worker of Twilight. I think Midnight is her codename. Super spy as well. Super introvert, almost stalker style to Twilight. And would rather she partner with him on the family thing. That's on the SR. Don't have an SR spot. Let me show things over a little bit. Try to get everything in the camera here. How's that work? Okay. And then, we got a UR of one of Anya's classmates. These are Desmond's lackeys, so kind of part of a bully. So there's a UR. So that's a card. That's a card we don't have. Let me create some more room here. I'll risk it. I'm gonna stack it all up. Risk it. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Shift this a little bit more. 2, 3. Keep everybody in the frame. Okay. All right. Next pack. I mean, some of the images are good, some of the images are like blah. But the quality is really like wow. Okay, we got the same SR card, first duplicate. Don't forget to look at the background, the back of the card. It's a different background. Okay. Okay, we got another UR card, another character card. This guy is Frankie. He is sort of the Q in the spy side. He's a informant and also a really gizmo kind of creator. That's the back of his card. And what we have? Another different card type. We got a YR this time for Anya Forger. Her just standing there, clean with her plushie. I believe this is her on the first episode when she was in the adoption center. All right, really run out of space here. I'll put him on top of that. All right, got another SR. This one is. These are all wrong. This is not Damon Desmond. Damon is this guy. This is so wrong. Oh my god. Card quality is good, but someone need to quality check the wording. This is Yuri. This guy is Yuri. He is a secret, not secret, it's like special cop, military cop of the region that Forge or Twilight is infiltrating. So they're ultimately enemies. But he is also the brother of Yor. And he is really funny. Powerful, smart, but has a weakness. That's the SR card. Okay, we got another duplicate. This one is the Easter card on R that we saw. It's kind of sticky. That's the back. And then we got another fan art. This one is a BR card of Anya and Desmond. And looks like Twilight is looking from above there. That's on the BR card. I don't have much of these knowledge with this card set, so I think probably if this one's wrong, these are wrong. These will all be wrong, so they're not like error cards. Well, error cards, but not unique error cards. All right, we got a yes. Okay, this is correct. This is an SR card of your forger, the wife, the assassin. And they need to be consistent a little bit because this is English with a little bit Chinese. This is just pure Chinese. All right, next card. We got an SSR card. Looks like a chibi art style of Anya Forger. And then we got a CR card. Rainbow holofoil of Twilight enjoying a cup of coffee or beverage. CR card. All right. Next we got another SSR card. This one is, oh, I recognize this scene. This is from the anime movie, White. Yeah, so they're in that market. Back of the card. Okay, we another CR card. This one, oh, got a little bent here. That's not good. This is Becky, which is Anya's best friend. She does not know anything about Anya's secrets and all, but she is a wealthy family. Becky. Back of the card, pink. The CR card. Then we got another HR card. This is Bond Forger. This is the dog. And this has a lot of, wow, beautiful foiling. And oh, there's a name there, Bond Forger. Go in the frame, HR. All right, we got another family picture on R. Interesting art style. Don't know how I feel about that. Anya has some wings. Oh, this is kind of like angel and demon on the shoulder kind of meme for Lloyd. Wife is the devil because there's a bat wing over there and the horns on her headpiece, and then Anya has a halo and wings. Again, not from the anime art style, it looks like. Okay, another R. We got another R. Looks like they're going down the street enjoying a afternoon. Nice coloring, deep color. Definitely not from the anime art style on the R. And ooh, we got a CR card that's green. This is Lloyd Forger, Twilight's alternate persona. But it still says Twilight here. Color matching his suit. That's nice. On the CR. Next one, we got another SSR of like Anya playing in the pond or river. Back of the card. Next we got the not the headmaster. He's not the headmaster, but he's one of the instructors. Really senior elite a teacher, and his favorite phrase is elegant. So he's from that elite school, so he's kind of make sure all the kids are acting as noble. This card. This is SR card. Up next we have the BR card of the image from the front of the box and the back of the card. Let's say in a reverse, left to right on the BR. We got an SR of Twilight. Nice. Then we got an SSR of Anya. Looks like she's enjoying music. Then we got UR of Yor, the assassin mom on the UR. UR. Is that a new card set? No. YRUR. Yep. All right. We got Bond Forger on the SR with a gray background. We got Twilight on the BR, cut really low, and instead of his name it says sample. Oh, quality. Oh, that's on the BR. And then we got an SP of the family. All right, next pack we got family picture on the SSR. We got Yuri, not Damon Desmond, on the SR. And we got the Spy Family on the full family in the BR. Again, a different art style. Oh, what is this? This is exactly this. Oh. Oh, is this the lottery pack? This is a lottery ticket, I think. I think this is how you play it. You buy it, and then there's only 2 packs that have this card. You could then claim it these from the top of the back. Oh, that's interesting. All right. All right, next one we have here, SR, we have Yor and a casual look. On the SR, we got Twilight on the UR. Again, it looks like it's cut really low. We got Anya pretending to be a spy on the YR. UR's here, and then YR. 2 YRs. Put them aside, could put them here. Would that look good? Okay. All right, next one we got R of all the family. We got the family on the GR, all wearing some military look. CR, I'm sorry, I read that as a G. Then, we got a HR of Twilight himself in a casual look. on a nice golden color background. That's HR. We got everybody cooking on the R. You got the family on a picnic on the R. And you got a BR of Anya Forger. Again, the third art style of Anya. The BR. Duplicate of the SSR of Anya. We got the BR of Bon and Aya. Got an SP of the SpyxFamily. Looks like they're dressed like Gintama. Is that the other anime? Yeah, that is. They are dressed like Gintama. That on the SP. That's interesting. All right. Here's the other ticket. So, we had it back to back. So I'll put that aside first. Okay, now the SSR. Looks like it's also a picnic day with more family members or more characters in the background. Got Frankie on the UR, a busted corner. Busted 2 corners. Wow. Sorry. And then we got UR of the family in casual wear. And we got the family. This was from the anime episode where they were all looking onto the city. Another of Anya playing in the stream. And a CR of Anya Forger on a red background. CR. You've got Twilight. Don't know why they split his name there on the SR. Looking seriously. We got the scene from SpyxFamily Cold White. Okay, this is Julia or Jessica. Someone's J. This is one of yours co-worker on the UR. Okay, we got Midnight, Twilight, and Anya playing. And we got an Anya on the HR. All proud and all. Okay, cooking on the R. We got, looks like they're in a ball game, a social event, I guess, on the R. And we got Twilight enjoying a beverage on the CR again. All right, we got the family on the Easter. We got the family on the CR. We got, this is Damon Desmond on the HR. This card is correct. All right, we got, ooh, wow. Really badass art of the family on the SSR. Anya on the SR with some flowers. Anya again on the BR, which I believe we saw already. All right, Anya playing in the stream. Twilight on the SR. Yor on the UR. We got the family going shopping on the R. Yor on the SR. And oh, this is a boyfriend of one of Yor's co-worker, but also is a co-worker of Yuri. We got, ooh, everybody on this R. We got Twilight on the UR, dashing into action. We got Anya with some sweets on the YR. Okay, we got all three of them sitting on the table on the R. Cooking on the R. The BR of the image on front of the box. We got Anya on the SR, different art style again. All the family sitting there in the CR. And we got Becky on the HR. Last pack. Yor on the SR. Ooh, we got Yor in a battle on the SSR. And then we got one of Damien's lackeys on the UR. All right, so that looks like that's the game built in this box. This box is to be sold separate individual packs, and 2 lucky owners could claim, or 2 packs can claim these box topper. So let's see what we get. Our special packs. You also get 3 cards again. You start with the Anya YR, a Anya Forger HR, slight orange background, and an SP, again by a third-party artist, showing them all in battle. Of course, they never fight together because they're hiding their identity, but yeah, that's a cool collaborate art. All right, next pack, we got SP of all of them looking back at you. Wow. YR of them, and Anya with that smile. And then we got Damon Desmond on the HR. All right, so that's the recap of the VOT card SpyxFamily set of 2 yen packs. So the looks like we get a lot of different cards. I'm not sure which one's the more rarer cards, but definitely the 2 packs. The least card we have is the YR card. total of 6. We also have 6 SP cards. And looking at the number, the largest number I got here is 16. See, this one tells me that too. Yep, largest number I have here is number 16 as well on the YR. Next, we have a lot of HR cards. These are individual character cards. Got a few duplicates there. The largest card number I have here is number 14. These are accurate cards. The name does match the characters. Next, we have these VR cards. So all by third-party art style, all the characters. Then the next one we have CR cards. Looks the same, but just a different background. This is third art. This is from anime. This is from anime. So it's a mix, third art and anime. This one's kind of cool. Cut. Some of them are cut a bit too high. If I put them next to you can see which ones got cut a bit too high from the bottom. Okay, next we got the SUR cards. These are character cards. These are straight from the anime. So you got some that are looks like they're cut really high up compared to these. Next, I say we get SR card. It's the next rare card. Different character cards. Got both, again, oh, that's a CR card. Both characters from the anime or comic or manga. Next, we got SSR cards. So these are like scenic cards. So we got a few battle card, a few badass card art style. Some anime scenes, mostly family outing kind of feel. We got these art cards, which are the most common cards, and they're just family doing things. Some acting cool, some just having fun. Got a few duplicates. All right, so that's it for this set. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for tuning into and staying to this part. As usual, like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Check out my other videos, and as usual, embrace the little surprises in life, and I sure did. I mean, SpyxFamily, even though it's 2 seasons, still attractive. Very interesting. All right, well then, thank you for tuning in. Again, check out my video, leave a like, and subscribe. And if not, catch you on my next video. Take care. Bye.